Hi, I did not study today. It was holy. Yeah, you can see a bit of pinkish tint in my hand. Yeah, I did not study today. It was holy. I got home around 2-3 p.m. and I was pretty tired. Then I took a nap and then I had to went out again. Now it's almost 10:15 p.m. and I wanted to talk about how a day like this feels during an exam season, especially for boards exam and as like 12th grade. So I wanted to talk about how this day actually feels like to me. So let's talk about burnout. And I think burnout doesn't look like breaking out, but rather it looks like today, where life just happens, when things doesn't go as planned, and you have zero control over it. And most of the time, there is this guilt which is sitting in your chest as if you wasted a day. But you should realize this, that just being human, doing what you always wanted, doesn't mean wasting that day, literally. Stop blaming yourself for such a small thing. And that is what I keep reminding myself, and you keep that in mind as well. You are not a machine, you have a life, and you have a single life. This is not a game where you can restart or respawn, right? You have one life and do whatever you want, but in limit. Some days the world, the routine asks more of you than your study schedule does. And stop calling it failure. That is not a failure, literally. That is life. That is which makes life beautiful and memorable, not just following one routine. And the students who make it through long exam seasons are not the one who never misses a day, but rather someone who stops punishing themselves every time when they break a rule, or just living their life as normal people would, as going out and doing the things that you like, taking time for your hobbies. They stop punishing themselves for being human, but rather they accept it, they pick themselves up and work on what they can control. That is the only difference, guys. They started, they failed, they showed up again, and they keep repeating that until they don't get the results. That is it, literally. That is the only thing. If today was heavy for you too, then please remember this. You're not behind, and you are not lazy as well for giving yourself a day off. You have just been trying really hard for a long time. So I would just say take a rest, get up, pick yourself up, and do the thing. That is it. Literally, that is it. So, yes, this was day 27 of 48 Smart, and yeah, I did not quite study today, but let's just move on, relax, and pick yourself up tomorrow, because that is what we should do, right? So, this is what I will do from tomorrow on. Yep, so that is it for today. Signing off.